Right, students. Good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible to you? Okay. So let's start with, in the previous session, we have completed about reading the data from keyboard. How many functions are there? Come on. 2 functions. What is the first one? Input of message. Input of and input of message. Now, students, today we are entering into the most important session, and we are entering into operators. Operators and expressions. The next topic, operators and expressions. We are talking. So in Python, we are going to discuss this area. This is a 3 days topic, and from here onwards, whatever we discuss so far, that will be continued daily. Suppose input of message is there, which will be carry forwarded. Print statement is there, which will be carry forwarded, right? Like that, I'm using operators and expressions. Daily, those things will be carry forwarded. Now I'm going to say, coming to the point of it, here, what exactly an operator is? What exactly an operator is? Now I'm going to say, an operator, listen now, an operator is a symbol. An operator is a symbol which is used to perform, certain operation, which is used to perform certain operation on data, on given data, and gives result, So as you are already aware of it, certain operators, as a part of our last class, we used what symbols? Plus is one type of symbol, which is performing certain operation on the given data and gives what? A result. Minus is one operator, is a symbol. We are using PTR by 100, right? PTR by 100. It is also called what? One type of operate symbol, which are all used for performing certain type of operation on given data and gives what? Result. So next, if two or more variables, nothing but what? Objects connected with an operator, then it is called expression. We can call, what is it? Expression. What is an expression? If two or more variables connected with an operator is called expression, right? So in other words, if you want me to go for it, in other words, an expression is a collection of what? Variables, which are nothing but what? An operator is a collection of what? Variables, and nothing but what? Objects connected with what? Objects. Sorry, connected with an operator. Connected with an operator is called what? Object. Is an expression. An expression is a collection of variables, that is called objects, connected with an operator is called expression. In Python programming, how many operators are available? We have 7 operators. They are, number 1, I will write it. One by one, I will write it. Arithmetic operators, that you are already aware of it. Nothing to tell about that, but something speciality I will tell you. Number 1 is called arithmetic operator. Second, I'm going to talk about assignment operator. Assignment operator. We will discuss something more about that. Each operator will discuss. Next is called relational operators. Relational operators. So coming to the point of it, relational operators we are discussing, also called as what? Comparison operators we can call. Comparison operators we can call. Comparison operators. Okay. Next we will talk about fourth, logical operators. Logical operators, also called as comparison operators only. But what is the difference between those two things? We are going to discuss. Comparison operators. And next is called fifth one, most important, and nobody knows, including you also, bitwise operators. Nobody knows, including you also. Most important these are. Anybody knows? Who knows C language here? Who knows C language here? So daily you'll ask this question and we don't say anything to you. Who knows C language here? So we will talk about what is the bitwise operators, most important students. I'll discuss so perfectly for you. Next, sixth one is called what do you know? Membership operators. Membership operators. Membership operators. So we'll talk about there. Two things are going to come. These are the special operators which are there in the Python. One is called what? In operator. In operator. First one is called what? In. And the second one is, go to the door. Without asking me, you are coming. You are asking, I did not allow you. Go there. So in operator, B is called what? Not in operator. Not in operator. First one is what? In operator. One more is what? Not in operator. Come in. So it doesn't mean that you can come inside. Anytime you can come, no problem. But try to learn some discipline. That is my intention. I hope I told you already once, correct? Again, you are repeating the same. No, not like that. You learn it. Don't do the same mistake again. That is my intention. If you come 7 o'clock, will I lose single NP from my packet? You tell me. You will lose the subject, correct? I am saying that come on time and learn the subject. That is my intention. Why I send you back? Because next time you should not repeat. Okay, no? Sit down. So, seventh one is called what? Next is called what? I say membership operators. In and then what? Not in. Next, there is one more thing called identity operators. Identity operators. So, the identity operators. What are the identity operators? In and not in. What is this next? Is. What is the name of the operator? Is. What is an opposite to is operator? Not is. In English. Is not. Not is. Huh? Like that our performance is. And you will feel that you know something, you will do bodybuilding outside. You will do that to this outside, you will say so many things. So, spell out. What is that? Is and is not. Is not or not either. If you say is not, they will ask you who is your faculty first. You will tell my name, compulsory you will tell. But I did not say that. Please increase my name. So 26 years I am in the teaching. We are in solid foundation is there. If you say not is with one single word, they will say, who is your faculty? Compulsory will tell my name only. So they will think that something different. That's why students, please be careful. Suppose if you don't know, at least you give the notes to them. You read these notes, everything is there. Now, next, these are the operators which are present in where? Python, right? See, student name, Prajwala is saying, see that Monica is saying, how they are typing it, how patient she must be there. Sumit, you see, these are all diamonds in my class. They are typing these letters. They are typing as this, because once they type it, need not to read the book at all. Even I am typing, if you read by yourself, need not to read after going to home. Job is not there, somebody will not give. You can get your own job by yourself. some lot of commitment is required. I'm observing now, some online students are there. They're on toes, like an Indian army. When Sarville classes start, on toes they will answer. If I keep a heading also they will type. Am I coming late to the class? Huh? Coming later? So you need to learn now. You also need to come on time or not. You need to learn on time. Everything need to learn, need to practice, everything to do. Last class also on time I will come. And day by day, I'll increase my content of delivery of subject. And a new policy I'm introducing in the form of workshop. And I'll tell you at the end of the class, what is my new things, which I used to do in Java level and where I used to deliver our expertism of programming knowledge to outsiders also. For you also, we are conducting that. At the end of the session, I will tell you what I will tell you now itself. Problem solving, a new program I am launching it. Problem solving approaches using Python. This topic and all problems, all company related problems I used to explain on Sundays. So very shortly I will launch this moment, and this is monthly, twice I will take it, first Sunday and the last Sunday. If 4 Sundays are there, first Sunday, last Sunday, not all the Sundays, first Sunday, last Sunday, this will be taken. Only Python problem solving approaches. Earlier I used to take problem solving approaches using Java. I am from pure Java industry level, and from the 10 years I am taking this Python. Now by seeing the importance of Python, day by day Python is increasing. So that I want to help to some other students, outsiders also will attend that. It is a free for all the students. And first Sunday, last Sunday, it's like a workshop we are going to conduct. Like a workshop I am going to conduct. So see that this I am going to intimate very shortly. I will intimate this program. This Sunday I'm not taking, tomorrow. Next Sunday I will take. That is one day before I will keep the link in the Google Drive class. So Sunday morning 7 a.m. that session will start. 7 to 8:30. Girls are looking at each other's face. And will you attend all like that? Sunday 7 o'clock you will not wake up, I know that. So every student will have certain policy. What is the definition of yours? You need to define by yourself. So of course I don't want to say it's your personal opinion. If you attend, you will get something polished. If you don't attend, sleeping, what will be polished? Body will polish. More sleep, more fat, bulldozer you will become. Reading, you'll be slim like me. And I've seen one student who is unable to walk the steps also. And how he is walking? One leg on another step, another leg on another, 2 legs on one step only. You can understand, I think so. How we walk? Leg by leg like this. That student is walking, boy, and almost you are 22 years only, 21, 22. How is walking? First leg, first step, that second leg also on the same step. Waiting, again he moving. And I have looked at him, he is watching mobile and no, he is not doing anything. And no bag is also there, only one simple book is there. And how can we do that? When time is running away, we will walk even two steps once. Step 2, begin, comma, end, comma, step 2 we will apply. Step 3 also sometimes. So you should have that. So if you are like a bulldozer, how bulldozer will run? 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers per hour only. Need to go 200 kilometers. So come to the point back. So, because of fast food eating. Because of fast food eating, correctly student. Vivek is perfect student. Really, I want to say, but Vivek said that. Really, it's really in my mind. I want to say that, but he said, Vivek, he said, really correct. He is really correct. Like one day, today only launched that. It should be like a Vande Bharat. How can you be if you read the subject well, automatic energy will come. You read 2 days very well. Second day you see how is your performance. Don't read at all. Will be like 21 years only. It's my request, student. Do well. So Vivek suggested everybody, don't eat that kind of thing. Okay, students. Shall I move forward, students? Now, I'll go for what next? Arithmetic operators. So now I'm going to say, now I am going to say one note point I am writing, students. Certain note points I am writing. Look at Python programming. Python programming. Let us come to the point. Python programming does not support unary operators. Unary operators. That is nothing but C++, C language, Java, .NET, plus, and then what? Minus operators are there. Minus operators are there, right? Plus, A minus, A minus. The type of things you might be knowing that. Do you know that? Do you know the answers? You expressed your wish, but you don't know that who is asking the question. Do you know that? No. You don't know that also, you don't know. But you know one thing. Sir may ask, you may think like that. So you are writing A plus. What is the answer of A? Come on. 11 or 10? 11. Good. Good. Plus A. What is the difference? Pre, post. That is the difference you are saying. So that's why we are not getting jobs. Really? Sir will say that only. Sir will say that only. A plus means it's a pre and A plus means post, and you will satisfy with that. But I never satisfy. But if I am asking a question, plus A plus A plus minus A plus A minus A minus plus A minus plus A minus plus A. What is an answer? You give to anybody, they don't know that. But I want to, there is a technique, within seconds you can answer. Like that we need to learn. Faculty must be intelligent, first of all, to answer such type of competitive exams. In industry, what questions will come? You ask me, I will tell you. You prepare that and you'll get number 1. So that type of questions will come. Plus A plus, what is there? Nothing is there. Are you getting my point? So this type of questions and such complexity of operator removed from where? Python language. Python does not support unary operators. Note number 2. Note number 2. Python programming does not support. Python programming does not support ternary operator. Ternary operator of which language? C, C++ and Java, comma, I will write C#.NET languages. One type of operator is there. Ternary operator is available. What is that? You know, question mark colon. This is also an operator. This is also an operator, student. This is also an operator. This is not supported in where? Python. Python is having, now I am going to take up note number 3. Note number 3, I am going to tell you now, students. So, what is the note number 3? See, students, Python programming contains some separate operators are there. What are those? Shorthand operators. Shorthand operators are there even in C language also, C++ also, Java also, Python also will support. What is the use of shorthand operators? I will tell you. Shorthand operators are coming from where? These operators only, shorthand operators are coming. Next, I will write it one more thing, students. Note number 4. Python programming contains its own ternary operator. Its own ternary operator. What is the ternary operator, students? The name of the ternary operator is if ... else operator. if dot 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 else operator. Generally, if else is called what? Having some knowledge. Conditional statements we can call. But here it is operator. Conditional statements different. Operator if else is different. If else condition is different. If else operator is different. I'll be explaining both of them with a lot of coding will be starting students. See students, if you go to the real time, they will test your intelligence only through coding. They will not judge by looking at that days has gone 5 years back only. Understand? Even these days, people are parents are who are little educated, who are not happy by seeing the marks. They are seeing your competitive spirit. That competitive spirit, even if it just pass, it is enough. But competitive spirit is enough. So this type of coding, and coding is not a big deal. If you practice these things very well, you can understand more easily. Okay. Now I'm going to move to the further students. I hope this you are understanding. Note 1, note 2, note 3. I will explain shorthand operators after completion of this 7. I will explain this for Python ternary operator after finishing my operators. So first I'm going to start with what? First I'm going to start with what? Let us go to your place at 6 p.m. And now I will go for topic name. What is this now? Operators. Inside of that, I'll go for the notes. Inside the notes, I'm going to save it, this topic. Now I'm going to introduce the first operators called what? Arithmetic operators I'm going to introduce. So first operator time, I'm going to introduce arithmetic operators. Let's start students. What is this arithmetic operator now? I'm going to decide now. Let's follow me carefully. Now I'm going to start. Now look at. Now. Good. Start with this. What is the use of? Each operator is having its own functionality. Each operator is having its own functionality. What is the use of this functionality? Look at guys. Very, very simple. The purpose of any time students, when you are learning certain thing, you learn purpose. Because that purpose only carry forward in the programming. See the purpose of which operators? Arithmetic operators is that the purpose of arithmetic operators is that to perform arithmetic operations such as what is it, which you already know. Nothing is special from my side, but a certain thing only it is you know already. What is next? Subtraction, comma what? Multiplication, etc. Multiplication, etc. Such a type of operations if we want to perform, we will go for which operators? Arithmetic operators. The purpose of arithmetic operators is that to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Now, if two or more variables are what? Objects connected with what? Arithmetic operator. That is called generally I said. Two or more variables are what? Objects connected with arithmetic operators. Then we call it as, come on, then we call it as what operation? Arithmetic operation. Arithmetic expression we can call. What expression it is? Arithmetic expression. If two or more variables connected with arithmetic operators, then we call it as arithmetic expression we can call. If two or more variables connected with what? Relational operators, we call it as relational expression. If two or more things connected with logical operators, logical expression. Bitwise expression, membership expression, identity expressions. So expression can be an arithmetic expression, assignment, relational, logical, etc. Shall we start now? Now see students, in Python programming, we have 7 arithmetic operators. 7 arithmetic operators. They are, what are they are given in the following table. They are given in the following table. What is the table? I am writing one by one now. What is the table? I am writing one by one now. Carefully follow, students. Now I am writing the table here. Let us watch this now. I am taking here. Now I am writing now. See, follow me carefully. One is called what you know? Serial number. Serial number. Next is called what? Operator. Operator. Next is called what? Meaning and example. I am going to talk about it. Carefully understand, ma. What is my values here? A is equal to 10. B is equal to what? 3. What are the values I am having? A is equal to 10. B is equal to 3. What is this A and B are called? Objects, variables. Every variable in Python is called? Very good. Now let's start with the discussion, guys. Number 1. What is the first operator, ma? Plus. Plus. What is the meaning here? Addition. Very good. Come on, answer my question. A plus B. Answer is what? Come on. 13. That is already familiar with. Nothing special from my class. Minus. What is this now? Subtraction. I'll write what here? Print of A minus B. What is the value here? Very good. 7. Next, the third I am going to take. What is this now? Star. What is this now? Multiplication. Now I am going to write it. Print A star B, which is going to be called as what? Ma? Very good. Now, from here onwards, it is different. Now, here onwards, you must be careful enough. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th is completely different. They're different than your fundamentals. Number 1, single slash. Next is called what you know, double slash. Next is called percentage symbol. Next is called a double star. Double star. These things are new for you. This you learned already from childhood days. That I am not denying it. You are already master in that. But now coming to the point back to slash, which is called what you know, division operator we can call. What is it? Division operator, which will give you, look at ma, A by B. When I write A by B, see students, which is called what? 10 by what? 3. 10 by 3. 10 of, look at, don't be hurry in the class. 3 3s are what? 9. It is called 1.0. And 3 3s are what? 9. You go on writing this again what? 1. And 3 3s are once again what? You know, 10. Like that it is going on 3 3 3 3 3 3. It is going on coming to 5. 3.33333, it is going on coming like this. So the output is going to be, students, you know, 3.3333335. It will be going on coming like that. Let me show you, students. Go to the place back. Now I'm going to say Python environment, Python 3.10. Just watch it. Print of what? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Print of A plus B. I'm testing here one line at a time. I'll write the program also. Print of what? A minus B. Print of what here? A star B. Print of A slash B. Be careful, guys. 3 into 3.3333, etc. Did you understand my point? Well, this will give you, this is giving you, it is going to give you what float coefficient it is going to give you. What is an answer is giving, students? Float coefficient. So I'm going to write it. Float coefficient is going to come here. Float coefficient is going to come. Are you going to understand? Float coefficient means 3.33333, etc. is going to come. That is called a float coefficient. When I come to double slash, which is called what you know, students, it is called floor division we can call. Spell out, ma. Which division? Floor division. We call it as a floor division. Floor division. I am going to call it as a floor division. We call. There I am writing what, students, you know, A slash slash B, which will give you only integer part only will give. 3.3333 will not come, only 3 will come. This is a very regularly asking question. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? You just ask somebody outsider, they will say single slash will give you what? Float coefficient. Double slash is known as what operator? Floor division, which is always gives you what coefficient, students? Integer coefficient will be given. I hope you are understanding, students. This will be called as what coefficient, ma? Integer coefficient we can call. So I will write it here. Integer coefficient will be called. Understand? Now, coming to the point back, now I am going to say, this is called a modulo division we can call. Spell out. Modulo division we can call, which I am writing there. Print A percentage B, which I am writing. This will give you called what, 10 percentage 3 if I take it, 10 percentage 3 if I take it, 10 of, I'm taking it as what, 3. 3 3s are what? 9. 9 means what is the remainder? 1. This will be the modulus operator. So 1 will come. Suppose, for example, in an ATM machine where it is applied internally, I am saying, you want to withdraw some 5,000 rupees. Some 5,000 rupees you want to withdraw. Their ATM machine is having some cash inside, which is decided to give. This is going to be giving some amount of rupees it want to give it. So what is the denomination it is present here? 500s are there, and next is called what? 100s are there. What it is going to give you? First it is going to do what? How many 500 notes will come for 5,000? So 5,000, what operation you need to do? What operation it will be given? So it will be applied as what, 500. 500. What when it is applied? 5,000 it is going to apply. It is going to be called 500 into what here? 10, and it is going to be 5,000. Now it is taking that 0 remainder, take this value called what? 10 500 notes will be given. Are you following? So if this is gone, what it will be done? With 100, it will be done. Are you following me? So you try to take in the further, I am going to apply this. And what is the answer now? 1. Now this is known as a double star operator. Single star operator, I already told in my class. One place it is acting as which operator? Multiplication operator. One more time it can be used for repetition operator also. The repetition operator I already told you. Python within the double quotes. Python into 2. What is the output is coming? Python. The star operator is multiplication or repetition or repetition. Similarly, when I am using double star, it will be taken as exponentiation operator we can call. What is that operator? It is also some people will call it as a power of operator. Which of operator? Suppose I want to calculate 2 to the power of 6 ma. How do you calculate? For example, 2 to the power of 6 means 2 will be multiplied 6 times. How do you do with the star operator? Using star operator. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, is it not my waste of time? It is my waste of time. Instead of doing that, simply I will write 2 star star 6, I will write it. 2 star star 6, I will write it. 2 star star 6 is nothing but equal to this only now. So what is this double star operator is called? Exponentiation operator. So I am going to write it. Exponentiation. So exponentiation operator. It is also known as what? Power of operator we can call. What operator, ma? Power of operator. Power of operator we can call. So how do you calculate now? Print of A star star B. What is the value of A? 10. 10 to the power of star star 3 means what? 10 cube now. How much is that? 1,000. 1,000. So the answer is called what here? 1,000. Did you understand this concept? So how many arithmetic operators are there? 7. What is the first one? Plus, addition you don't tell, operators tell me. Come on. Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, percentage. Right. Operator is nothing but symbol. I will write it here. Better I will write what? Symbol. Symbol. Symbol is nothing but what? Meaning also will be given here. Are you able to follow, students? Now, I will be going for programs. I want to do it on this. Okay? Easy to remember or difficult to remember? How many arithmetic operators are there? Tell me. Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, percentage, double star. Double star operator is called exponentiation. Single slash will give you float coefficient. Float coefficient. I am asking the question different. Single slash will give you float coefficient. Double star is called. You don't understand the question. Whatever I am saying, you are going in that way only. Single slash is called plus is called minus star slash double slash percentage. Right, double star exponentiation operator. Ready to answer my question anytime, any question? Single slash gives float coefficient. Double slash is called double star is called, double slash is called, single slash gives float coefficient. Single slash gives float coefficient. Single slash is called division. Double slash will give integer coefficient. Double slash is called floor division. Percentage gives modulus. Remainder will give remainder. Modulo division is nothing but I will write here what it will give you, students. Remainder. Remainder will be given. Remainder will be given. Are you following me? Right. Now I am going to write it. I will save this operator. I will upload these operators for you, students. Now I'll go for what? Program. Open the notes now. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will demonstrate the functionality of arithmetic operators. Which will demonstrate the functionality of arithmetic operators. Which will demonstrate the functionality of arithmetic operators. Okay, look at on the board. Now we'll start writing the coding. Now see, students. Now I'll go for where can I execute my program? PyCharm. Go to the PyCharm. See, students. Now I'll go for the PyCharm. All the students in online, I hope PyCharm you installed it and it's working fine with you. Now, let's coming to the point back. System is very slow. So let me close my project, close the project, and let's go for, I hope you are remembering a new project. What is this now? 6 p.m. operators. 6 p.m. operators is my project name. 6 p.m. operators is the project name. Now, I'll go for, this is called what? A sample code is available here, students. Now I'll take it off. Nothing to worry about it. Now I'm taking new. What operators now? AOP. So now I'm writing arithmetic operators example1.py. Arithmetic operators example1.py. So program for demonstrating which operators? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about it. Under that, I will accept 2 values from the keyboard. Shall I? A is equal to int of input of enter value of A. Enter what? value of A. Already you know this, right? Next, enter value of B. And if you don't start practicing, after a few days, you cannot attend the classes also because it will become too much heavy subject for you. And definitely you will not come to the class. The moment you practice more and more, you will like to come to the classes. Now, print off. I'm going to write it. Some small thing I'm going to write it. Observe it, students. Now I'm writing. Say here, arithmetic \T. Now I'm writing arithmetic operators results. Now I'm taking. Now I want to write it directly. I will write it. Can I? Look at students. \T. I'm writing now. I'll write it. What I'll substitute in the curly brace? A value plus symbol I'm using plus. Next I'm using is equal to B value is equal to what? A plus B. Come on, students. Dot format of A comma B comma A comma B comma A plus B as C. If I write C, what will be the error? Name error. Name error will come. So I will write what here? A plus B. So you must get the knowledge, students. Are you following me? Try to run it. Try to run it. How it works, you just watch it. Enter the value of A, 10. Enter the value of B, 20. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Are you following? So the first value is concerned, this will be substituted and plus symbol as it is available and 20 is available like this and then 30 is available in this place and A value is here and B value is here and next is called what? A plus B is for third curly brace. Understand, students? Next, I'll go for next part I am going to introduce. So let's start, students. I'll go for the next. Similarly, I'll go for what? Can I speed up now? Come on, fast. \T. Come on, fast. Minus is equal to what? Like this. Dot format of A comma B comma A minus B. Next, please. Print of \T. Curly brace star. I'll say here what? Star and is equal to dot format of A comma B comma A star B. A star B. Now run this code, students, and observe it. For a moment, you run it. So try to observe it, students. I say 10 and then 3. I'll be getting what? 10 plus 3, 10 minus 3, and then 10 into 3. Getting or not? Yes. Let's move to the further. I'll move to the other operators. Up to here, you are clear. Now say \T. Come on, students. Slash another thing is equal to like this. Come on, ma. Format of A comma B comma A slash B. Next, students, \T A comma double slash like this. I will write it is equal to like this. Dot format of what? A comma B comma A double slash B. Come on now. \T A comma percentage. What is this? Is equal to like this. Dot format of A comma B comma A percentage B. Are you following me? Right. Huh? Okay. I'll remove that. Okay, students. Now you try to run up to here. No? You try to run up to here. 10 and 3 you see. See the answer now. 10 by 3. 10 double slash 3. 10 percentage 3. Next run once again here. 10 you enter. 4 you enter. What is the answer you see? 10 into 4. 10 by 4 is 2.5. 10 double slash 4 is called only 2. Getting my point? Okay. 10% is 4 also means 4 to the 8. 10 minus 8. 2 is a remainder. Well, next I am going to introduce print of what? \T. See that star star I say is equal to like this. Dot format of what? A comma B comma A star star B. Getting? Now run this code now. See, students. Now I say 10 and then 3. I'll say 10 star star 3 is called what? 1000. Able to get it? Now, This is a way how you can run your operators. Shall I move forward? Now I am going to introduce. This is called one arithmetic operators demonstration result is showing. Let me give some example, some additional examples on this area. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate square root of a given number, which will calculate square root of a given number, square root of a given number. Watch students, all of you. Go to the Python environment once. Python environment. N is equal to what? 25. 25. I want to calculate the square root. In the beginning demo session, I said import math. Math dot what? SQRT of n, which will give you what? 5.0. I mean, square root of 25, answer is called what? 5.0. This SQRT function is there in C language, C++, Java, and next is called even in Python also available. Even in Python also available, right? How this was written internally, that we need to understand. So without using SQRT, I want to use it. That code is without using which function? SQRT. Let me go for the logic part I am explaining. Let us carefully understand, students. Now I am taking square root symbol, you know, right? So little mathematics knowledge of school days, that's all. I am not taking even intermediate mathematics also. So now I am taking here called what? N. N. N can be anything, right? N can be anything. Now, if I write only N, on the top of it, what is there? On the top of N, what is there? 1 is there. On the top of it, 1 is there. You don't know that? Huh? It is there in 7th class. 7th class. Right. So it is there in 7th class. 6th class also it is there. Now, here square root means what? Here it is square means 2. In that empty that line here, if I don't write anything, which is called what? 2 is there. So if I write mathematics meaning, what is happening? N to the power of, in the bracket, n to the power of 1 by 2. N to the power of what? 1 by 2. N to the power of 1 by 2 is nothing but what I am writing? N to the power of 0.5. Yes or no? N to the power of what? 0.5. How do you write in Python instruction? Write Python instruction for that. Python instruction for that is what? My sir already told that exponentiation operator. What is my exponentiation? Come on, what is that? N into star 0.5. N star 0.5. Understand? So, go to the point back. Here I am writing. What is my N value? And what is the function I used? Now I am writing what? N star 0.5 I am writing. 0.5 I am writing. What is an answer? So SQRT function is giving this answer. My star operator of 0.5 is also giving 5.0 or not? What it indicates? It's a one of the simple hacker ranking example. Written test question. Such a small thing, people are saying that it is not possible to calculate without SQRT. How it is possible? With an arithmetic operator called a double star. Did you understand? Once again, I will explain. Square root of n. What is the top to the power of n? N. If nothing is there on the top of it, degree is called 1. And in the place nothing is writing means it is there 2. It is going to be taken as what? N to the power of what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. How do you write a Python instruction? N into star 1 by 2 you can write. Why I am writing in the bracket? Because if I write n star 1 by 2 like that, if I write, it will be taken as what? N star first. Star is having more priority than all the operators. n star star 1 is having what? More priority. More priority. Understand? When I take n to the power of 1, if I take 25 as n, 20 to the power of 25 to the power of 1 means 25 only. 25 by 2 is going to become what? 12.5. It is a wrong answer now. Instead of that, I am using Budmar's rule. That is called a bracket to evaluate first. N star star what? 0.5. 0.5. That will be taken as what? A 5.0 is an answer is coming. Instead of writing that, you can write what you know, n to the power of 0.5, n to the power of 0.5, which is going to be taken as what? N star star 0.5 is writing. Are you following me? This is a Python instruction. Either this way you can go or this way you can go. Are you following, guys? Now, so when I say that sentences, now you try to write in your notes. Will you remember after 10 days? You will not remember. Why? I know your brain status. So you need to mention when I'm writing such a rough work in the mathematics area, you need to write immediately. So you have to say, you have to make your work always busy in the class. What I'm writing, that points you need to going on noting down some extra points. So I hope that you are following this area. Now I'll write the code for that. Shall I? I'll take it off. Now I will write the coding. Let's go to the PyCharm. See students, now I'm going for what? Program for calculating arithmetic operator. Example 2, I'm going to take it. New one, I'm going to take it. Python file, arithmetic operator example 2.py. Now I'm going to take up. Now saying here, program for calculating square root of a given number. Square root of a given number. Tell me students. Come on, start. N is equal to what? Int of input of enter a number. Enter a number for calculating square root. For calculating square root. Are you following me? Well, now I am writing. Easy, finished. RS is equal to n star star what? 0.5. Write immediately. What is that? SQRT of, I am writing SQRT of what? N is equal to what? Dot format of, tell me students, N comma RES. N comma RES. Getting? Yes. Run this code students. Run this code. I will enter some 25. I will enter 25. What is my answer? 5.0. You can also write this as much as possible, I will cover the logic students. You must understand those things. So one more way I can write it. RES is equal to n star star 1 by 2, I will write it. N by 2. And other way I am writing it. Same answer I will print it. Try to run it students. I say here what? 144 I will print it. 144 means what? 12. So 12. This is also 12. This is also 12. By mistake, if you write like that, by mistake, if you write like this, 1 by 2 like this, and without having that knowledge of mathematics, see the answer, what is the wrong thing. I'll say 25 here, students. See the answer. This is called a wrong answer or not? This is the correct. So that's why you must take care about this type of rules of this. So here I need to write like this. Did you understand, ma? I say here what, 3. I'll say 3. Square root of 3 is 1.732, etc. will come or not? Yeah, see that 1.732, a big number is coming. I can restrict it to 2 digits itself. I can restrict it to 2 digits itself. Right? Percentage, F and all those things, you will use it. Okay, students? Now, shall I move forward? Now, can I give one small homework for you? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate cube root of a given number. Cube root of a given number. Cube root of a given number. I forget. How do you do, students? I forget it. How do you do? Cube root means it will be given like this. From cube onwards, they will be writing like this. I will say 27. Are you following me? 27 means how do you write it now, students? 27 to the power of 20, actually 27 to the means 1 is there. On the top of it, it will become what? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, don't try to write 0.3333 like that. Don't write it that. You write as what? 27 into, tell me, 27 double star of what? 1 by 3 like this, you must write it. Will you understand? Like this, you need to write it. So that will be taken care by the environment only, will be given perfectly. Getting my point? Yes. So any number is taking, that will be given the answer like this. Shall I move forward? Right. So I hope you will do that. Will you do it? Next, one more. Write down. Write a Python program. That is a homework. Write a Python program which will calculate a plus b whole square, which will calculate a plus b whole square. See, mom, a plus b whole square. You have to write immediately this hint. These are all mathematical hacker ranking examples. How do you do basic level? This is a preliminary level coding challenges. How do you do it now, students? One is by using formula. If you know formula, you can do it. Suppose I don't know a plus b whole square also. No issue at all. My sir said already this 2 is called exponentiation or not. How do you write it? A plus b star star 2. A plus b star star 2. Raskondi, mention it. A plus b star star 2. Suppose if I write by mistake a plus b star star 2, what will happen? Plus is there, star star is there. What will be evaluated first? B square will calculate and it is added to what? So that is the wrong answer will come or not. That's why evaluate first a plus b, later star star 2 you need to do it. Getting, students? Very good. So you have mentioned it. Suppose if you don't know this formula, suppose you know the formula. Another way of writing is what, ma? This is one thing. First way of logic. Second way logic you see, ma? If anybody gives you a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For example, this is the one. You need to study the formula. A square means a to a exponent is 2. B exponent is 2. How do you write it, ma? A star star 2 plus 2 into A into B plus B star star 2. This is called the another way. You can also write like this also. What is that? A into A. A into A is nothing but A square only. Because it is a simple you are writing. Plus what? 2 into A into B. Plus what next? B into B you can write it. This is called one more type of what? Operator. Understand, ma? This is called the meaning of what? Either this way you can do. This is called the first way. This is called the second way. This is called the third way. This is called the third way. I hope you are understanding about first, second, third. Got it up? Right. These many ways. So when you sit on the system, all the 3 ways you need to type it and test. You will get lot of confidence by yourself. Without doing the practicing, if we come to the class, we cannot understand anything. There is no doubt in that. Shall I move forward? Now, I will go to next. Will you do that? Okay. One more example. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will evaluate CMA a to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. I don't know any algebra formulas, linear equations formulas, don't simultaneous equations. I don't know anything. But based on my double star operator, you can do anything. Because double star is having lot of important, students. Plus minus star, this is already you know. Slash or double slash and then exponentiation, very important. Tell me, for my satisfaction, logic number one. Logic number one. Come on. First of all, what is your inputs? Tell me, what is your inputs? A, M, N. Very good. Now you got it. Come on. A star star M. A star star. First you evaluate, right or not? After that, A star star N. First you evaluate that. After that, you go for the division. Okay, na? Mention it. Mention this one. Mention it. Now, this is one logic. One more logic is what? Suppose if you know little mathematician, base is common and then squares, power and then numerator and this one, a to the power of m, and I am explaining little mathematics for you, a to the power of minus n. Denominator going to numerator means it will become minus, which is going to be bases are same, powers are added. A to the power of m plus of minus n actually, which is going to become what? A to the power of what? M minus n. Students in the online, if anybody don't know mathematics, don't say to me, sir, I don't know mathematics. Who knows mathematics? You know mathematics, huh? You know mathematics? No, but we know only formulas. So that formula proofs will required in computing, programming is required. How do you write the code now, students? A to the power of star star what? M minus n. So first you do m minus n, then you go for what? Exponentiation. This is the way to do it. Mention it. Write down that. Because once you open the notes, you have to feel like it is called what? A class is there in front of you. Done. This you take care. Next, last and final. This also you can do, right? Already gave 3 homeworks. Will you do it? Or you will forget them? Please do it. This is called a one thing. Done. Next, one more last and final I am going to say. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will evaluate. See, my dear students, a to the power of m, a to the power of m, to the power of a to the power of n, a to the power of m to the power of n. Don't tell me the formula. A to the power of m, and I am not asking the formula to you. I know that you know this formula. My interest is not working on mathematics. I am working on exponentiation of exponentiation. How to write the Python code? Tell me. A star star m. Okay. First I will do a to the power of m. Next star star n. That's all. This is called what? How to use exponentiation operator is important. If you are having little mathematics knowledge, it is called what? A to the power of mn. A to the power of mn. How do you write it? A star star of m into n. Star is having more priority, double star is having more priority. Come on, double star. First you multiply, then you take what? Exponentiation. Either this way you can follow or this way you can follow. Any one of the way you can take it. Right, Naresh, exactly. So what you are saying is perfect. Now, shall I move forward? Are you getting command on these operators, arithmetic operators? Shall I test you once? Don't lose your confidence on you. Single slash operator gives float coefficient. Double slash operator called lower division. Single slash operator is called division. Double slash operator gives integer coefficient. Percent operator gives remainder. Double slash operator gives double slash, right? Double star exponentiation, right? Right. So now, if anybody says, Some people are writing a to the power of b means they are writing like this. It is a wrong actually. This is called a bitwise XOR operator. A to the power of b means you need to do what? Like this. Are you following? So anybody ask in written test, write a program which will evaluate a to the power of n. Will you do it easily? What are your inputs? A and next, right. What is this now? A star star what? M. You will be taking A star star M. Will you understand? Okay. Now you understand which operators? How many operators are there in Python? 7. What we know here? Arithmetic operator. How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. Tell me the symbols once. Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, percentage, double star. Double star is called exponentiation. Single slash is called division. Double slash is called good. Now I am going to enter into the assignment operator. Right. What is the use of this assignment operator? Now I am going to discuss. Now I am going to discuss assignment operator. So I am going to take up assignment operator now. What is the use of this assignment operator? From the day one onwards, I am using assignment operator, students. Please look at me carefully. A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12. You observe, ma. A is equal to 12. What is 12? RHS value, correct? Is assigning to what? A, which is assigned by the symbol called single equal to. Single equal to operator is used for transferring RHS value to the LHS variable. Left hand side variable transfer getting RHS value. RHS value is transferring to what? LHS. Who is assigning that? Single equal to. Single equal to is known as which operator? Assignment operator. Tell me. Assignment operator. Okay, very good. B is equal to what? 20. Don't take much time. Easy this is. Now print what here, students? A comma B, 10, 20 printed. C is equal to A plus B also I am writing. C is equal to A plus B I am saying. What is A plus B today? Expression, correct. Arithmetic expression it is. Arithmetic operator expression. Any variables are connected with arithmetic operator, we call it as arithmetic expression. Very good. And whose result is what? 10 plus 20 is evaluated. Whose result is what? 30. 30 is transferring to left hand variable. It is done by what operator again? So assignment operator is not only assigning the value of RHS to LHS, it is also assigning the RHS expression value to the LHS variable. This you already aware of it. And today I am not only using today, from the day one onwards I am using, correct or not? C I will write it. What is the C result? 30. Are you okay? Getting or not? What is the symbol called? What is an assignment operator today? Single equal to. Single equal to is called which operator? Okay. Now see, students. Here A is equal to 10. This already you are aware of it, ma. What is this now? RHS values are assigning to what? LHS variables or not? Now I am doing C is equal to what? A plus B. It is not only assigning the values to LHS, it is assigning the expression also to the LHS. This is called C. This operator equal to is assigning at a time single value to left side variable, right? Single value to left side variable, single expression to left side variable. That's why this operator is called single line assignment operator, we can call. Spell out. Single line assignment operator we can call. Now I am expecting today new in my class is A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. What is this now? This is doing what? How many values on right side? 2 values. Left side, how many variables? So 10 is assigned to what? 20 assigned to what? This is called proper assigning. With a single equal to multiple RHS values assigned to multiple LHS variable. This is known as multi-line assignment operator, we can call. Spell out multi-line assignment operator. How assignment operator symbol is single equal to. That single equal to can be used in how many ways? 2 ways. Single line assignment operator, multi-line assignment operator. Okay, students. Now calculate C comma D comma E is equal to A plus B comma A minus B comma A star B. Did you understand? A plus B is assigned to what? C. A minus B assigned to what? A star B assigned to what? And print CDE. Print CDE. Am I getting the result or not? This assignment operator today is called what? Multi-line assignment operator we can call. So how many assignment operators are there? Number 1, single line assignment operator, multi-line assignment operator. Very nice. See students, A comma B. Already single line assignment done or not? A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. C comma D comma print AB first ma. A comma B you print it. Got the answer or not? C comma D comma E is equal to A star B A plus B comma A minus B comma A star B. Print of what? C comma D comma E. Am I getting 10 plus 20, 30? 10 minus 20 minus 10. 10 into 20 is called what? 200. What this is called? Multi-line assignment. Are you following me? Right. How many assignment operators are there? 2. One is single assignment, multi-line assignment. Actually, assignment operator is only one. What is that one? Single line. That I can use it in where? Single line I can use, multi-line I can use. So whichever you like it, you can follow. Last and final, SNO comma, SName comma, marks is equal to 100 comma, rosum comma, 22.22. What is this line? I forget. What is this is called? Is it valid or invalid? Valid. What is this is known as? Going back again. Why going back? 100 assigned to SNO, name assigned to name, marks assigned to marks. Follow? Whatever it is, whatever it is. Come on, start with print of what? SNO comma, SName comma, marks. So I got the answer. Easy. Good. Now students, follow me. I want to take one small logic. Program for swapping of two numbers. Swapping means interchanging. Interchanging means exchanging. A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. What is AB ma? 10, 20. Interchanging. A value should kept into B value should keep it into A value. With multi-line assignment, tell me quickly. A comma B is equal to B comma A. B value how much? Kept in where? A value how much? We kept in where? See the answer now. Print of AB. What is that? 20 comma. It is a very shortcut answer. Actually, for swapping is concerned, I am going to tell in the class 6 logics I am going to tell you. 6 varieties of logics are there. And today I want to go for, since I am discussing this operator, I want to go for this logic. Okay, students? Online students, is it clear now? Is it clear for all of you? Now I am taking, instead of typing it, I want to utilize some small saving the time. I will go for what here, I will take operators and I will take what operator, assignment operator, I want to bring it. Quickly, I want to show you. So once you understand quickly, I would like to take up some small saving the time purpose. I will take this and try to read all of you. Try to put your concentration and read. Start. The purpose of assignment operator is that to transfer right hand side value or expression value to the left hand side variable. The symbol for assignment operator is single equal to. In Python programming, we can use assignment operator in two ways. Single line assignment, multi-line assignment. Single line assignment syntax. LHS variable name is equal to LHS value. 1 minute. This is called LHS variable name RHS value. Are you following me? Right. See that LHS variable name is equal to expression also. Okay, start, done. With a single line assignment at a time, we can assign one RHS value or expression to the single LHS variable name. Example, A10, B20, C is equal to A plus B, ABC values are printed. Multi-line assignment student, variable 1, variable 2, variable n is equal to what? Value 1, value 2, value n. How this will be done, students? Value 1 kept into variable 1, value 2 kept into variable 2, value n kept into variable n. Similarly, variable 1, variable 2, variable n, expression 1, expression 2, expression n. I will take it what? Expression 1 kept into this place, expression 2 kept into variable 2, expression n keep it into this place. Not this one, not this one. Are you following me? This is called what? Wrong assigning. This is called correct assigning. Are you following me? See students, here values of what? Value 1, value 2, value n are assigned to variable 1, variable 2, variable n respectively. Here where expression 1, expression 2, express n are assigned to variable 1, variable 2, variable n respectively. Example, AB, A comma B 1020, AB printed, C comma D comma E is equal to A plus B, A minus B, A star B. CDE printed. Number name marks in a single line I am assigning. Understand? Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values, which will accept any two values and swap them, and swap them, and swap them. Swap them. Swapping is in the bracket. Interchange. 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 I'll tell you actually 6 logics more. 6 logic. This is what I am explaining. And one problem is always one. For that solutions are many. Correct or not? When you go to a movie, tickets are already over. What you will do? Do you have another solution or not? What is that? Tickets over. You went to the counter, counter ticket is over. What is the next solution? You know already those things. That are all called what? No use in the life. So if no tickets are there, you will not come to the room and you will not read the Python notes. Correct? Definitely you have to watch the notes. Same commitment to keep it on subject also. Correct or not? Yes. When you are practicing the Python program, friend is sending a WhatsApp message. Please come out, I am waiting outside. You will stop and go or not? 100% you will go. And you cannot say that I am practicing Python program, please go. You will not say. Well, friends are very dangerous now. That's why they are destroying you. So, coming to the point of it. Who is this? So, Viresh, are you listening the class? No. Shall we write the code? Right. So now coming to the point back. Now you go forward. So now what is this now? Swap example1.py. Swap example1.py. See students, I'll take it. Go to the place. Program for swapping of what is this now? Two values. Swapping of two values. See students, any two values you take it. Now any two values, integers, stake, anything. I'm taking what? Into, not converting students. I'm not converting into any number. I'm just taking in the form of strings only. Enter what? Value of A. Enter value of A. Now I'm taking enter value of B. B I'm telling. B I'm taking. What I'll do next? I say print of. I want to print something more decorative output. I say this one. See that printing here. What is this now? Backslash n. Backslash n means new line. Backslash t means tab space. Slowly you try to use some new things. Original value of what? Original value of what? A is equal to dot format of what, students? Dot format of what? A. Dot format of A. Next, original value of B. Say what? Format of B. Now, this is the one. Now you write the swapping logic. What is the swapping logic? A comma B is equal to B comma A. Actually, 6 logics are there. I can write 6 logics now itself because one by one I will explain. Bitwise operators, one logic I will explain. I'll explain some more logics. That time 2 to 3 logics I'll explain. In further, I will explain some more. This is called which line assignment? Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment. Print the same mechanism here. What is this now? Come on, what is this now? Printing what? Come on. Swapped value of A. And next is called what, you know? Swapped value of B. And run this code. Run this code. Swap example. 1020. Got it. 1020. Value of A got it. Value of B got it. So instead of that, instead of giving that thing, 1 is enough. So 1 is enough. Otherwise, it is a big space is coming. So 1020, you see, got it. 1020 and what? 2010. 10. So next you try to write it, students. You say something like, you know, Python and then KVR I am entering. So you are getting Python, KVR and KVR Python like this. Now you try to run this value 12. So here what you know, 12.34 and then Python you enter, you are going to get 12.34 Python and Python 12.34. Are you following me? Last and final, 2 plus 3j is equal to some 4, 5 plus 6j. So 2 plus 3j, 5 plus 6j is interchanged like anything. Are you following me? Right. This is called what? Swapping the values, we call it as. Understand, students? So today we understand about what operators? Yes. So coming to the point of it, how many operators are there in Python? 7. So these 7 operators I discussed about what? 2. One is arithmetic operators and right. Tomorrow, that is a Monday class when I come back. So I'll also stop now because a lot of people are absent, enjoying the weekend. So many underground action plans are executing. So we will also take now 7:33. Actually, supposed to stop the class at 7:45. We will also enjoy for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So you also relax outside. So we'll go for what? 3, 4 Monday class. Very, very important. I will explain. You have seen that arithmetic operator, assignment operator. What is the specialty of it? Like that, every class is the most important in coding now. Don't miss the class. Don't come late to the class. Thank you, students. All the best.